Okay, so Mr. Abdulrahman, thank you very much for attending our Abu Dhabi Dynamic Tour. I think this is the first time you attend
Yes,
the
yes,
Dynamic Tour.
yes.
Well, first, I want to ask you, how did you see it? How did you find it?
Yeah, it
Do
was
you think it was
fantastic.
worth your time,
It was
the trip?
fantastic. It was very nice, and I
Good.
really enjoyed very well.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So we will, of course, go back to the Dynamic Tour and talk more about it later on. But can you introduce yourself and tell us what do you do and
Yeah.
which group you work for, which company you work for?
Actually, I'm the corporate IT manager for Retaj Hotels and Hospitality, and I'm now coming from Qatar, okay, to attend this occasion, and I'm using Alcatel system for three of our hotels now.
Excellent.
We
So how
have-
many hotels you have in
We have
total?
actually now 5 hotels in Doha, and BBX we have Alcatel telephone system in 3 of our hotels.
Okay, including inside Qatar and outside
And
Qatar.
outside Qatar, yes.
Okay, so you're starting also your international,
Yes.
let's say, reach
Yes,
to start
yes.
opening branches
Yes,
outside Qatar.
yes.
So very good. We thank you very much for that, for
You're
sure.
welcome.
So you've been using Alcatel-Lucent for about like the past, let's say, 2 years.
Yes, actually. Yes.
Exactly. How's your experience so far has been with Alcatel-Lucent
Well,
solutions?
it's very good. Actually, I was having another system, okay, which it was very bad, you know. But when I took Alcatel system, it was
Which system you were using before?
before using Panasonic and Nortel.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we have changed it to Alcatel,
Mm-hmm.
and after we changed to Alcatel, it was everything got fine, and the support also is very good for Alcatel, because even if you ask for support even in the night time, okay, they will not say, they will never say no, okay, they will come to you and they will solve your problem.
So you're very
yeah,
happy with the business
yeah,
partner
so
also that's
yes, yes.
providing you the service.
The main thing I liked for Alcatel is the support.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
So what made you select Alcatel-Lucent in particular? I'm sure you were evaluating, especially you were using something else
Yeah.
at one point in time and you replaced it with Alcatel-Lucent. What made you select Alcatel-Lucent versus, of course, there is a lot of companies in the market, and especially in Qatar, there's a lot of people or vendors that are trying to penetrate this market. What
Because,
particular
Yeah.
features or functionality that made you select Alcatel-Lucent over the others?
Yes, Alcatel system has got extra features than other telephone systems. The feature I like it is, if you use Alcatel telephone system, you don't require call accounting system,
Mm-hmm.
because it's already
Built in.
it's included with this. You will save the cost of buying call account system. All you need is just to bring the system, and they have software inside, and it will connect to Opera, and you can use your
So the
call
integration
posting,
also
yes,
with the
integration,
hotel
yes.
HIS systems
Yeah.
and all the other systems,
Yeah.
it's seamless and
Yeah.
easy. How about the networking solutions? You're deploying also our switches and our Wi-Fi in some of your hotels.
Yes.
How has your experience been in this?
Yeah, it was very good. Previous we had Netgear wireless system, which was every day, getting hang the wireless access points,
Mhm.
and it was a lot of problems. So now, after we took Alcatel wireless system, and we didn't have any problems.
Very good, excellent.
Yeah.
And also on the networking side, of course, are you deploying like in your IT infrastructure? What kind of services you're providing to your guests? Other than for sure the Wi-Fi, is it IPTV or SMA TV you're
No,
using?
actually, we don't have currently IPTV.
Okay, so it's mainly
It's-
for the
it's-
IP,
yeah.
for the the internet
Internet
access.
billing system, and that's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
and in your new projects, of course, you're coming up with the new hotels.
Yeah.
Of course, we know some are in the pipeline that are
Yeah.
very soon. Would you consider Alcatel-Lucent? Would you say that that would be your first choice for the new projects?
Of course, that's what I'm planning
Excellent.
for my next
Very good.
business. Yes.
So, last question,
Yeah.
and then we go back to the dynamic tour.
Okay.
From which is the most important thing for us and for yourself also, the end customer. How have you seen the experience of the end customer, the guests of our using our system?
Good.
You mentioned before, I mean, there were no complaints, no issues,
Yeah.
even from support perspective.
Yes.
So, are you facing a lot of like
No,
downtimes or those
we
kind
are
of?
connected to a service called every month we send this report.
Mhm.
Our hotel opera system is connected to send this report, and whenever we have guests check out, they will leave their email, and we send them a survey how you like.
Excellent.
Previous it was all complaints.
Really?
After we take Alcatel wireless system, it was perfect.
Excellent.
We felt the changes.
Excellent. So
So,
we're
yeah.
very happy
Yeah.
that your customers are very happy
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Very good. Now back to the dynamic tour. Is there anything in particular that caught your attention? That something that you didn't know that we had, and it's like, oh, okay, so you guys have this. Is there anything in particular that caught your attention in the dynamic tour?
Yes, the IB telephone which you have, the touch screens which you
Yep,
have.
the MySC phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It has got a lot of features, which I really like it.
Excellent.
You will have a good display, and you can display the menus of the when guests ordering something or in room service, you have the menus. You can put it in the telephone and you can select it. Yeah.
So you think you can deploy those
Yes,
type of phones
yes.
in your hotels?
Yes.
Okay. And what about I think you've seen you were also interested in the smart board and the video conferencing and collaboration. Did you spend time to see this, or you didn't have a chance to see it
still
today?
I did not. Yeah.
Okay, so this is something that
Yeah.
you will probably have to do before you
Yeah,
leave.
yeah.
So we thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for coming here,
Yeah.
and of course for your business and continued trust and support for us also.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.